know you. Aren't you that famous Fabio guy?
Yeah, I guess I am.
Oh, what are you doing here at Sticker City?
Oh, come on, you guys. You know, I'm always here. I live here. You know, it's like with all my cars, you do all the most beautiful job in the entire city.
Man, you have the coolest job in the world.
No, you do. Always,
love you, Fabio.
always with beautiful cars, you know. Hey, and you do an unbelievable job. You know, it's like every single car I bring here, they're like perfect, just perfect. Unbelievable. The car is amazing. It's perfect. You know what? The Sticker City guy, they're like artists. Trust me, I'm from Italy, so I know about artists, okay? These guys, they're not workers. These guys are artists. This is a piece of art. Unbelievable. I mean, look at this, the job they did. It's perfect.
Fabio, as you can see, we did the Stealth clear ball all over the matte finish paint, and all the seams are as clean as you could. We hit it really, really well. So the only two seams up there is almost invisible to the eye, and everything else just looks like factory paint.
I tell you, like I said before, it's perfection. You know, that's why I like these guys. That's why I bring all my cars here.
Nice.
You know, because they do, I'm telling you, they're like Michelangelo. Hey, thank you, Sticker City, and usual, perfect job.